Every single day, in every single cell of your body, your DNA has been copied. And the thing is, during this process, every single time mistakes are made. Not just one, there are thousands of mistakes made. And yet, you're alive, you're healthy, and you're watching this video. How is this possible? Who is fixing those mistakes? Scientists have tried to see, okay, if DNA can replicate itself whenever we take it out of the living cell organism, and scientists have tried it, and DNA can replicate itself outside a cellular body. And they also published a successful paper with the name efficient self replication. And there is a catch. So the DNA could replicate itself outside of a cellular body, but in this replication, it made a mistake every 10,000 letters. So compile that to 3 billion letters. So it comes somewhere to 300,000 mistakes per cell per DNA. So if you compile that to the entire body, you don't even exist. You will collapse even before you were born. But that means there is something in your body that is constantly fixing these things. And you're right. In every cell, there are 7 special enzymes that are specifically assigned to do just this. They go around every strand of DNA and identify if it is good or not good. And if they find any mistakes in the DNA, they snip it and they remove it and they fix the right one and they move along. And if you stretch the DNA into a strand, it can go all the way from New York City to London. And these enzymes go to each and every centimeter of that length and try to fix any damaged DNA you have. And this is not even the fascinating part. Your cell does not divide until all the errors are fixed. We do not know how this is communicated to the cell. All we know is that yes, there are mistakes in the DNA. Yes, these are the 7 special enzymes that fixes those mistakes. And also, we know after the mistakes are fixed, the cell starts to divide. But we don't know, as I told you, it's such a huge length of DNA strand, and as soon as all things are fixed, immediately the cells from the different corners, if you take cell as a circular individual unit, it is going to start dividing from across the country if you expand the cell in its original size compared to relative size of a DNA. And we don't know how that is communicated. There are some mistakes. Sometimes cell does divide itself before all the DNA issues are fixed. But then you need not worry about it. Body has an immune system just walking around patrolling, trying to find those kind of cells, immediately capture them and destroy them. And if all these 2 mechanisms go wrong, that is when we call something called as birth of cancer. A group of cells that already duplicated with the error DNA and is not able to be killed and captured by your immune system tends to grow massively in its size and strength. That is your cancer. Okay, Niranjan, why are we talking about this right now? Why is this relevant to me? Well, for everybody, whoever is watching this video, know that every single day, in every single cell of your body, it is fixing you constantly. You don't have to ask it. You don't have to be aware for it. You don't have to turn on a switch for it. It is constantly fixing everything in your body on a day-to-day basis. If anybody says they are broken, the science says otherwise. Share this to your friends who might find it helpful. For more science videos like this, follow me. Let's meet again. Peace.